Welcome back to dear students. In previous video I had explained the question answer of chapter 1. So remaining of the questions we will do now. Okay. So come to next page number 6. Page number 6. Here we can see, let us see. First number, write the name of a bird which has eyes in front of head like human. So you know that, maybe know that. So which bird has eyes in front of its head like human being? So this one it will come owl. Okay, an owl. Next one, write the name of some birds which have eyes on either side of the head. What is the size of their eyes as compared to the size of their head? So here we had seen many of the birds which has eyes either their side of the head. Okay, so which one have? Here it will come crow, parrot, eagle, all these things. So here it will come crow, parrot, eagle, pigeon. These are the birds which eyes has either the side of their head. Okay, and the size of their eyes as they are compared to this their head, the size of their eyes is very small as compared to their size of their head. Okay, so their eyes are very small compared to the size of their head. Okay, now come to next question number. Here there is given some activity, we have to do it. Looking with one or both eyes. Now we can close our both the eyes, write or cover it with the hand. Tell your friend to stand to your right at some distance and ask his to do the same. Some actions. Okay, which are the actions? Wave hand, shake head. So now we can ask some question. Could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? Can you see your friend's action? So first question once again, could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? So without moving our neck we cannot see our friend's actions. Okay, now come to second question. Now you try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open but without moving your neck. So yes, while our both eyes are open, we can see what they are doing. Okay, without moving our back we can only, without moving our neck we can see what they are doing. Okay, next, what was the difference on looking with one or both eyes? So while we are looking with one eyes we can see what is doing, what is doing, but we cannot understand, their sides are not clear. Okay, we can see what they are doing, but it is not clear, that is not visible. Okay, and both eyes, while we will see from our both eyes we can easily understand or we can easily see what they are doing. Okay, now come to next question. There is given, now toss a small ball or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open, then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? So here what is their question? We have to try to catch the coin with one open eyes and both eyes. So which one is easier? Okay, while we trying to catch with one open eyes, it is very difficult. Okay, we cannot see the coin is going which side, but while we are trying to catch with both open eyes, we can easily see which side coin is going. Okay, so come to next question. Imagine how it would be to have your eyes in place of your ears. What would be able to do then which you cannot do now? So what will happen if our eyes are there in front of our ear. So what will happen? We cannot see all the sides thing. We can only see our ear directions. It is left and right. So we can only see our left or right directions things. Okay. Now come to next page number 8. Now come to page number 8. There is given some of the question. We have to answer it. Okay. We can write all these things in your fair copy. So now the name of 10 animals whose ears can be seen. So here which are the animals whose ear we can see? We can see elephants, buffaloes, dogs, cow, goat, all these animals ears we can see. Now come to next question. The names of some animals whose ears are bigger than our ears. So here in this question we will write the name of the animals whose ears are bigger than our ear. Okay. So same will come. Okay. Cow, goat, buffalo, dog, elephant, and if you want to write that more names, you can mention it. You can write it. Okay. Next thing. Is there some link between the size of animals' ears and their hearing? So here in this question we have to see the link between the animal's ear and their hearing. Okay. So here we can see that the animals whose ears are bigger, they can see easily. Means that animal they have a good sight of hearing. Okay. So जिन animals के ears बड़े होते हैं वो आराम से सुन सकते हैं. ओके. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो देयर इज गिवन, ट्राई दिस. ओके. पुट योर हैंड्स ओवर योर ईयर्स एंड से समथिंग. कैन यू हियर योर ओन वॉइस? यस. व्हाइल वी आर पुटिंग आवर हैंड्स like this, we can hear our sounds very clearly. Okay. Now come to next question number, page number 9. There is given one activity, that one you can try and feel. Okay. So sit near a desk, tape the desk once with your hand, listen carefully. Now put your ears on the desk as shown in the picture. Tape on the desk again with your hands. Listen again. Was there any difference? The sound of the tape. So while we are taping the bench or desk, that time we can hear the sounds. Okay, that time we can hear the sound. Which sound? The vibration of the ground. The vibration of the grounds. Okay, this one you can do at home also. You can try also. Okay, this is on practical ways. So now, have you seen that snake's ears? Snakes have ears? Do you know? No, snakes don't have ears. Okay, so how they can hear the sounds? Even they don't have that ears, they can hear the sounds. They can feel the vibration of the ground. Okay, they can feel the vibration of the ground. Okay, स्नेक के कान नहीं होते हैं, पर वो किस तरह से सुन सकते हैं आवाज़ को? वे ग्राउंड के वाइब्रेशन को क्या करते हैं? फील करते हैं, महसूस करते हैं. ओके. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट. मैनी ऑफ द एनिमल्स दे आर सेंडिंग मैसेज टू देयर फ्रेंड्स वाइल दे आर इन डेंजर. तो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपने फीमेल्स को क्या करते हैं? मैसेज देते हैं जब वो डेंजर में रहते हैं, जब वो परेशानी में रहते हैं. ओके. सो हियर नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 10. देयर इज गिवन सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, वी विल सॉल्व इट. ओके. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड द साउंड्स ऑफ सम एनिमल्स? विच वन? ओके. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग दैट which are the animals whose sounds we can understand. Okay, by their sound we can understand. So we can understand the sound of cow, dog, elephant, and goat, that one. Okay, if you want to write the more names, you can write it. Okay. Now next question. Do some animals understand your language? Which one? Okay. So which are the animals? Yes. Some of the animals they are understand our language. Okay. Some of the animals, कुछ animals हमारे आवाज़ को पहचानते हैं. So which are the animals? Our pet animals. Okay. Our pet animal. हमारे पेट एनिमल्स हैं जिसे हम घर में पालते हैं. दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड आवर लैंग्वेज. ओके. लाइक पैरोट, डॉग, काऊ, गॉट एंड रैबिट आल्सो. ओके. दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड आवर लैंग्वेज. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो देयर इज गिवन द पिक्चर ऑफ lizard. Okay. The picture of lizard. So now during the cold days means winter season, we cannot see a single lizard on our house, in our house. So what do you think where they are going? Yes, we can see that during the cold season they are going to hide themselves in a warm place. Okay, because that time it is too cold, so they are hiding themselves to protect from cold. Okay, so this one. Now come to next. So here we can see the picture of sloth. Okay, sloth. So in a one day how many hours it sleeps? In a day it sleeps 17 hours. Okay, or always they are hanging on the branches of the tree. Or what they are doing? What they are eating? They are eating the leaves of that tree. Okay. Now come to next. There is given the animals and their sleeping time and waking time. Okay. So here we can see that the shaded part, each of the shaded part, it is considered as a 2. Suppose that this, it is what we can indicate. One shaded part, it is indicate one shaded part indicate 2 hours. So now students, you can do it by yourself. Okay. So here is the given the sleeping time of sloth. Okay. So you can count it. Okay. So one shaded part means 2 hours. Second, next 2 hours. So you can count it. Okay. Then you can find out. There is given the sleeping time of lizard. So lizards you can see there. Okay, you can count it. Now here is given the sleeping time of a cow in a day. So here two shaded parts are there, so it will come 4. Okay. Here python, the snake, shaded parts you can count and write. Okay. Here giraffe, the shaded part here have only 1. Cats have only half of the side. Okay. 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, half of the circle. Now come to next. आपको ये खुद से करना है. ओके. So now come to next page number 13. Some of the questions are given there. We will see it. Okay. What do you think are some of the dangers to tigers in the jungle? So now all the animals they are going to extinct. Extinct means vilupt. So all the animals they are going to disappear. Okay. So here now these days also we can see rhinoceros, dinosaurs, sea turtle, and now it came to tiger also. Okay. We can see only few numbers of tigers. Okay. So what will happen there? What is the reason of that? We can see in the next question. Can human being also be treated to animals? How? Yes, human beings are also treated to animals by different ways. Means they are also treating the animals. They are some of the animals they are killing for their skin. Okay, for their body parts. Here we can see tusk, then horns, then deer for the sand. Okay, snake for the skin. And some of the animals they are putting in a zoo, putting in a circle for an entertainment purpose. Okay, and some of the animals they are animals houses they are destroying, means they are cutting down the forest, that is their home. Now come to next question. Some of the question, where are other such national parks in India? So we see that, we know that many of the national parks are there in our India. So we can write some of the national parks name. Okay, instead of this question we can write some of the national park name. Okay, so I think all these questions are over. We can do the exercise of from note. Okay, so you can write like as a tip. I had explained all this question answer in book. Okay, orally I had explained all this question answer in book. Now you have to write the answer. Write the name of bird which has eyes in front of it is head like human being. So which have an owl. Okay, an owl has eyes in front of it is head like human. Next question, write the name of some birds which have eyes on either side of the head. So which are that? Crow, pigeon, eagle, parrot, all these things. Okay, and the size of their eyes is compared to their head, they are very small. Okay, next question, imagine how it would be have your eyes in place of your ears. What would you be able to do then which you cannot do now? So when we have our ears in place of our if we have our eyes in place of our ears, then we cannot see the things from the all side, but we can see only the left and right side. Okay, now come to next. Now you can guess from what distance can an eagle in the sky can see a roti on the ground. So here an eagle has a very powerful sight, strong sight. Okay, उसकी देखने की क्षमता ज़्यादा है ईगल की. So it can see a roti on the ground from 2 kilometers distance. Okay, 2 kilometers distance. Next, write the name of the 10 animals whose ear we can see: elephant, buffalo, dog, cow, goat. Next one, write the name of animals whose ears are bigger than our ears: cow, goat, buffalo, dog, elephant. Next one, is there some link between the size of animals, ears and their hearing? So that one I explain. Yes, animals of big ears have a better sense of hearing than the small ears animal. Here, next question. Can you understand the sound of some of the animals? Which one? So we can understand the sound of some of the animals like cow, dog, cat, donkey. Okay. Next, do some animals understand your language? Which one? So our pet animals like dog, cat, parrot, cow. Next, have you noticed that during the cold season you cannot see any lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone? Yes, I have never seen lizard in the house. During cold season, they hide themselves in a warm place to protect from the cold. Okay. Next question. Can human being also be treated to animals? How? That one I explained that yes, human beings are also treated to animals. Some of the animals they are killing for their skin, bones and other part, and people are cutting down the forest, that is their home. Okay, and some of the animals they are kept in circle for entertainment purpose. Okay, now come to next one. Next, there is given, give examples of animal that may have very strong sense of sight, hearing or smell. So we can write which animal has strong sense of sight, means देखने की क्षमता सबसे अच्छा देखता है. Then hearing, then smell. So dog, cat and elephant. So dog has a very strong sense of smelling. It can mark out its area by smelling of other dogs' urine. Okay, you know that this one is given in our book. Okay, next one, kite. A kite has very strong sense of sight. It can see a piece of roti or chapati from a far distance. Okay, it can see a piece of bread from a far distance. Now elephant. An elephant has a very strong sense of hearing. It can hear the sounds from a long distance. Okay, next, what do you mean by the hunters and poachers? Okay, hunters and poachers means the people who killed the animals are called hunters and poachers. Okay, so here some of the national parks name I had written there. You can write as it is. आपको इसी तरह से लिखना है. कान्हा नेशनल पार्क, इट इज़ इन MP, मध्य प्रदेश. ओके. काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, इट इज़ इन आसम. गिर नेशनल पार्क इन गुजरात. माधव नेशनल पार्क इन मध्य प्रदेश. MP मीन्स मध्य प्रदेश. जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क, इट इज़ इन उत्तराखंड. घाना नेशनल पार्क इन राजस्थान. सो मैनी ऑफ द एनिमल्स दे आर किल्ड. ओके, for many purpose. There is given elephants are killed for their skin, their tusk. Rhinoceros are killed for horns. Okay, sing. Tiger, crocodile and snakes are killed for their snake skin. Musk deers, they are killing or they are hunting for the sand. Okay, it smells very good. Okay, now you may understand all this question answer. I hope that previous video question answer you did. So now you can write all this in your note copy as it is. जैसे आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर दिखाया गया है, बताया गया है, आपको उसी तरह से करना है. उसके बाद में फिर कॉपी कंप्लीट करने के बाद में याद करना है. ओके. Okay students, thank you.